Good morning. Today's July 16th here at the Hoosier Classic. Just giving you a shot of the birds flying. Today's the first real day that we're pushing them up off the loft and flagging them. I hope this camera's catching them all. We have our helpers with us today, shagging them up, and they're doing a great job. Many of the birds are grouping up. There's quite a few that don't know the routine yet, and we expect that to come together in the next 10 to 14 days. So this is the routine every day here on out until the birds are exiting the loft and flying on their own. I hope this camera caught the birds flying and get a little shot of what we're doing. Sometimes they just need to be reminded that they can fly. I think we have some that might have flew off because there's a large group that we're missing here. All right, have a good day. Just wanted to show you what the start looked like, and we'll show you a video as we progress daily. Have a good day, everybody.